A customer recently asked us how to display multiple playlists throughout the same day. For example, restaurants may want to show a breakfast menu in the morning, a lunch menu during the day, and happy hour promotions in the evening. Let's see how SmartScheduler can automatically switch between different playlists based on your schedule. First, we need to create the content for each playlist. Once the playlists are ready, we can schedule them to play automatically at different times. In this example, I've created 3 playlists: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We'll now schedule each playlist to play automatically at different times throughout the day. After clicking Save, you will be taken to the Schedule Settings page. Using the Multi-Playlist feature, you can assign different playlists to different time periods throughout the day. You can also customize schedules for specific days. For example, if you have a Ladies' Night promotion every Thursday, you can create a dedicated playlist for that event instead of using your regular breakfast, lunch, and dinner playlists. Since I want to show you the result right away, and today is Wednesday when I'm recording this video, I'll create an additional schedule for Wednesday. I'll also set the schedule to start in a few moments so we can see the content switch automatically in real time. Simply click Play Now to start playing the scheduled playlists. As you can see, the breakfast menu is displayed in purple, the lunch menu is displayed in black, and the dinner menu is displayed in white. Now that we've covered the basic settings, let's enhance our content design with more layout options and content types. Instead of displaying just a single image, you can create richer and more engaging layouts by combining images, videos, URLs, PDFs, and other media. This allows you to showcase all marketing materials relevant to a specific time period. For example, during breakfast hours, you can display the breakfast menu, promotional videos, special offers, and website information together on the same screen. I've added multiple content items and arranged them using different layouts. Let's see how it looks in action. For the breakfast playlist, I've created a split-screen layout with multiple content areas. The lunch playlist remains in full-screen mode, keeping the menu simple and easy to read. For the dinner playlist, I've also used a split-screen layout, but with a slightly different design. A scrolling news ticker is displayed at the bottom to showcase additional promotions, announcements, or special offers. We hope this tutorial has helped you better understand this feature. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.